to my channel. So today we are doing another unboxing of the Boxyluxe, which I am so excited for. Look how humongous this box is. I cannot believe it. Look, the sucker is huge. It is packed full of incredible things, obviously. So let's discover what I got. All right. Where am I gonna put this thing? Okay, so the theme is La Vie en Rose. As you can see here, it's so beautiful and delicate. So let's look at the first thing. The first thing is the CoverFx Perfector face palette. So let me just dig in here real quick so I can find it. And I believe I did. Oh my god, this is so nice. Look at that. So this is the Perfector face palette. And this one is medium deep. About to open it up, and look how gorgeous these colors are. Obviously perfect for summer. Oh my god. So it has like all kinds of fun colors. Definitely perfect for highlighting and contouring your face to perfection. I am so excited and I cannot wait to use this. So we definitely have a few highlighters. We definitely have 3 highlighters. Well, I guess kind of sort of a bronzer, but 3 highlighters at the top. We have a blush and some contour, and then a finishing touch just to add a nice sparkle to your face. So I am definitely in love with that. Next is Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Where are you? So it looks like this is it. So let me open up this box. So we have a powder brush and a soft glow highlighting brush. Let's pull that out, and oh my god, these are so gorgeous and cute. I legit can't even. Oh, so these are it. And look how adorable they are. They're so cute. Yes, and this is definitely a perfect highlighting brush just to get right in there. This is a good powder brush. Oh, so in love, super cute. Let's move that over here. All right, so next on the list is Iconic Brow Cushion. Let's find this iconic brow cushion. That's not it. It looks like this is what it is. So let's open it up. If I can figure it out. Alright, so it's got a nice little case, and here we go. This is it. Oh, this is interesting. So I'm not sure exactly how this goes, but you have literally a little mini spoolie and a little like angle brush to help like do your brows. And they connect, so now you have like a 2-piece thing. The only thing I'm trying to figure out is how to open, I guess, this thing for the powder. Oh, and it's dual. How crazy cool is that? So you can see the coloring here. You can see the 2 different colors here. So here is the actual cushion itself. If I can ever get this off my finger. Okay, so this is the actual cushion itself. So you can see the 2 tones, just perfect for whatever brow tone you are. How cute is this? And definitely helpful. So I'm going to put this back in, and then it is ready to go. So we are getting rid of this. Alright, next on the list is Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And I want to say this is it. Yes, indeed. A nice, good size mask to use. You know, I am all about the good large sample sizes that I can actually try out these products. And this is incredible. What does this do? It is containing a blend of Skin Loving Acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. This is definitely gonna like help purify and replenish dull skin, and I am all about that. I cannot wait to use it. All right, so next on the list is Lilly lashes, and I am in love. So these are the Faux Mink, and I don't know what they're, let me find out what they're called. Gaia, something. I don't know if you can see it, but if you can, tell me how it's pronounced because I'm not sure. But these are so cute. Definitely a nice little natural bump to your lashes, and I cannot wait to use them. All right, so next is IT Cosmetics. This is Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. And it is this big monster here, as you can see. I definitely hear amazing things about this cream, so I cannot wait to try it out. Look at this, and look how big this is. Like, please tell me, like, there's no other sample subscription that's giving like these samples out other than like one of the FabFit something. Other than that, like, hello, look how monstrous this is. And it smells so good. And it feels amazing. It feels so nourishing. This is supposed to be anti-aging. So you know we're all about this. Skincare is super important to me. Look how nourished that now looks. Oh, cannot not wait. Whoop. Definitely excited to give this a try and really enjoy it as a whole. All right, and now we have Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. Yes, lipstick love here, and this is in mauve. So let's see what type of lipstick this will come out to be. Oh, beautiful packaging, you know I'm all about it. And we have a gorgeous mauve color. So let me just put this on here. And there you go. Definitely beautiful, beautiful. It definitely is a little bit different. It almost has like a brick color than a mauve. But it is definitely an amazing lipstick, and I'm all for it because I'm a hoarder of lipsticks. All right, and now we have Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette, and oh, look at this. 15 shades for daytime to playtime. I'm all about it. Let us check out these colors. All right, she's so gorgeous. Yes, she is. And look at these amazing colors. Please tell me. Oh, you know I love some neutrals, and they're like these gorgeous oranges, which are so perfect for summer. I cannot wait to create a wonderful, gorgeous look. I don't think I've owned so many oranges in my life. Like, look at that. Oh, I cannot wait to use it. So I'm so excited for this. Now we are down to our two final items. So that I have a Deborah Lippmann, and this is Oh Donna and Modern Love. I'm not sure what they are. Are they nail polishes? kind of what they look like. So it is a 2-piece set. You bring the nail salon home. These are little baby ones. And it says 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails without giving the effect. With giving the effects of gel polish without the damage. So these are my 2 new polishes to add to the list. So I have one that's very like metallic sheen and a nice matte, beautiful like dusty rose color. So I cannot wait to use that because as you can tell, I stopped wearing acrylics for a little bit. So I'm trying to be a little bit more natural. And now I have new polishes. So I'm excited. And now finally, this is the Boxycharm Traincase, and look how gorgeous it is. I am super in love because I can always use new makeup bags, and it's so cute. I'm loving this iridescentness all about it, and oh, how adorable. This is definitely perfect just for like a quick touch up or day-to-day. I think this is enough to fit all my stuff in it. So just for like the typical day-to-day stuff, and this is everything. Look how much stuff I've gotten, and this is all for like 50 bucks. Like, this is insane, like insane. And it is totally worth it. If you guys have not done this, I don't know what you're waiting for. It is just, it's incredible. I've been loving, ever since I've been on it, I've not regretted being on Boxycharm at all. I'm so happy that they decided to do more products and give it a bigger box every 3 months, because these samples, well, no, they're not really samples, these products are incredible, and I love the work that they put into it and the detail. And I hope that you guys love your boxes as well. Please let me know what you guys got. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and until next time, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Always follow me on Themakeupphase on Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, any one of those. You know I love you guys and I love all your wonderful feedback. So bye my loves, until next time.